If you have over whipped egg whites or over whipped cream that you are doing for a whipped cream or for the eggs for a meringue, here's how to fix it. I am a pastry chef and sometimes I do things just by nature and I think, oh yeah, sure, people know about this, but maybe not everybody knows about this. So hopefully this is a helpful tip. You do the exact same process for both. If you have your egg whites and you are whipping them and you walked away and you weren't paying attention and then all of a sudden they look crumbled, you can fix it. All you have to do is take an additional egg white, room temperature egg white, and I did a video on how to get your eggs to room temperature, so look at that one. Just add that in and then slowly whip that back and it will get back to neutral. Same thing with your whipped cream. If all of a sudden you look and you're like, oh no, ruined, it's all crumbly looking, not a problem. This, you want cold cream. Just stream in a little bit. Maybe just do like a tablespoon at a time. Slowly whip that up until you get your perfect consistency. Do not trash it. You have not ruined it. These are things that can be reversed. So if ever that happens, there you go. I hope that helped.